Hello, and welcome to another Crmble tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through creating deals in bulk from your contacts, a feature designed to save you time and enhance your efficiency. Imagine you've hosted an amazing live event where you collected a ton of valuable contacts. Now you want to reconnect with some of those contacts and keep track of your interactions and follow-ups efficiently. With our bulk deal creation feature, you can quickly generate deal cards from a selection of contacts on your board, allowing you to start working with them immediately. Now let's get back to contacts and see how this works in detail. In the contact table view, each column represents a contact field. You can click and drag to move and pin columns to the left and save the view to fix you customization. You can filter your contacts by any field using the search field beneath the column headers or the filter option by clicking the burger icon next to the header name. This time we are going to use a checkbox field which we have used to mark attendees. We would like to create cards to re-impact the ones that didn't attend the event. Therefore, we just filter by false, which applies to all the contacts that haven't been checked as attendees. In our case, we have 14 contacts that did not attend our last event. Now we can select them by clicking the upper left main checkbox. Once you've selected your contacts, click on the Actions button. Then pick the Create Deal option, and you'll begin the deal creation process. Here's where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to map the contact fields to name your new deal cards. This step ensures that all relevant details and information are included in your deals. You can even assign members or labels to these deals, creating a personalized and organized deal squad. Additionally, you can predefine deal data to keep everything consistent and ready to go. It's like having your deals perfectly seasoned, requiring no extra effort from you. Once you've mapped all necessary fields and predefined your deal data, hit Continue to complete the bulk deal creation process. In just a few clicks, you'll have multiple new deals ready to conquer the sales landscape. And that's it. You've successfully created deals in bulk, streamlining your sales process and saving valuable time. For more detailed instructions or any additional questions, please refer to the links in the description below. See you in the next tutorial.